Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the country has recorded 10 new cases of COVID-19, taking the tally of confirmed cases to 432. Now, among the 10 is a 2-year-old. It also includes an employee of the Alarica call center in Portmore, St. Catherine. 7 are contacts of its employees. The other 2 cases are under investigation. Now, there are now 205 cases linked to the call center. This includes a case that was previously under investigation being reclassified and placed among the positive tests from the call center. So far, 31 persons have recovered and have been released.
The lockdown imposed on St. Catherine came to an end today, with thousands leaving the parish for the first time in 15 days. The restriction came after a sudden spike in COVID-19 cases. But as Kalisha Williams now reports, not everyone is pleased that the measure has been lifted.
It's the moment many have been awaiting for weeks. No checkpoints, no temperature checks. Overnight, the members of the security forces packed up and left. The reason, the lockdown in St. Catherine has come to an end after 15 days.
I have to hustle, that am my living. I can't lock in. Lock in can't feed my kids them.
I feel good because the lockdown was for a reason. And you see the time now we can reopen.
But while this is good news for some in the Sunshine City, for many the storm is far from over. For this resident, lifting the lockdown was premature. Note, the lockdown was implemented by the government on April 14.
Now with plenty, and you walk it back. Some in see the sense, them not understand what them are do. To all messy people die overseas. If them not lock down this, people are going dead out of Jamaica.
People are going all over the place now. Most people now practice social distancing and them thing there. Because even when I go on the monogram around this, everybody itch up. And them say the social distance sign and them still itch up on them one another. So I now feel like it will spread in a St. Catherine more.
As stores reopen, people are also opening up to a new normal.
So I'm standing just outside Progressive Foods in Portmore, St. Catherine. And as you can see from this sign, this is as far as the lines came last week. But with the lockdown lifted, as you can see, it's quite the opposite.
But this KFC outlet at the Portmore Mall had a long line, similar to those we saw at money transfer outlets.
I love KFC too, but I can't cook. But through a long time in the kitchen I cook. I come out and say I go treat the children.
With the lockdown lifted, it means the transportation sector is also up and running in the parish. Desmond Wright is the president of the Nagohead Taxi Association. He said since the recent spike in COVID-19 cases in the parish, some of his members have decided to suspend their services altogether.
Typically they're afraid, and most of them saying that it's not really for themselves, it's for the loved one who they're going. If the COVID ever kill them, the loved one going to suffer.
But the taxi operators who came out on Friday were in for a pleasant surprise.
No, sir, it's slower than ever, slow.
Even when the lockdown lifts?
Yeah, it's slow because when I get 2 days, the people that come out from all today, people that come out from all today, and shop, and we don't get more people to carry, but no, nobody now shop. Everybody lock up in the most CMA, can them have tomorrow can go shop, another day can go shop. You understand what I mean? Yeah, man, if you lock down the whole place, man, lock it back down. Yeah, man, if you lock it back down. Some persons, you know, you have to just stick to the 2 back, because if you try to put 3 in it, they're not coming there. Yeah, so we have to stick to the rule. Some people are very scared, you know.
Kalisha Williams, TVJ News.